Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on the HP Smart Tank 5105. So first, what you guys can do is hold this little button right here. So as you guys can see, when we hold this button for at least 3 seconds, now we can let go of it. Everything should be turning on. We should see the screen activating and those buttons lighting up after a second. So we should give it a few seconds. As you guys can see, the screen now shows something. And now we got all types of icons blinking. So there's a warning blinking right here. The screen is finally working and the printer is making noises. And that's how we know the printer is turning on. So now, after the sounds from the printer stop, that means it's ready to go. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.